Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by Delta.exchange, a leading crypto trading platform. Today morning, the Asian markets were bullish just mainly because the China cut the stamp duty for trading. And now people started asking for Indian government also to cut the stamp duty. Of course, stamp duty is the money that is going to the state government. So the power is not with the central government. So only the STT is going to central government. So the power with central government. So the people now they are asking, for cash market at least they should do. Even I also posted, there's some, as per some news channel, about 90% of the options are being traded in, weekly options, people are doing a lot of intraday trade. So I also suggested, they can increase the STT for intraday trade or weekly trade. Yeah, so fun apart, now come back to our market seriously. This China's act has brought some kind of optimism to the world markets. And moreover, last Friday, though Fed chairman spoke with a hawkish tone, but still markets went up. So that means, so these negatives have already been factored in. So expectedly, our markets also opened higher, and in fact, from intraday low shot up nearly 100 points. It was firmly bullish, but again at 2 p.m. Reliance AGM started, and people were actually expecting some kind of hint or clue from Mukesh Ambani regarding Reliance Jio and Reliance retail listing, but nothing has come. The markets were disappointed, so the Reliance has fallen. And Reliance fell 1% at the end of the day, and that has contributed about 25% fall in the Nifty. But luckily, today, all the banking stocks were very good, and HDFC Bank has gone up. I think HDFC Bank has gone up nearly 20 rupees from intraday low to high, and that has contributed almost same number of points on the higher side. So, HDFC Bank took the Nifty higher by 25 points and Reliance took the Nifty down by 25 points. So, finally it was very neutral. So, therefore, on a close to close basis, Nifty was up just only about 40 points. But that is from yesterday's weighted average closing. But the actual closing was very low yesterday. So anyway, given the optimism in the global markets, and this is not, I would say that today's trading is also a disappointment only, and that disappointment was mainly brought to you by Reliance Industries. If not, Nifty would have been higher by another 25-30 points. So anyway, so these kind of things are expected as and when there is some event. Now the event is over, so we need to see how Reliance will be reacting from tomorrow. But Reliance Jio Financial Services has started stabilizing, so maybe in another 1 or 2 days that will get out of this Nifty 50. So today, once again FIIs have sold, and they have sold heavily for 1,393 crores. But the domestic institutions also bought for 1,264 crore, which is almost matching. So net institutional sell is only about 100 crore. And probably in the short term we are oversold. Just, today is Monday, the Thursday high was 19,600 and Friday low, actual low was 19,225. So Nifty has fallen nearly 400 points in just 2 trading sessions. So therefore, it is extremely oversold. So some kind of short covering, that too when the global markets are very good. And I would say still we are not out of the woods. And I said in the morning very clearly, Nifty will have to close above 19,400 in order not to be bearish. But again, I will not be bullish, but I will not be bearish if it closes above 19,400. And of course, the time value is helping the option sellers. And today the Bank Nifty has outperformed. There is no need to say that. And looking at the open interest, today people have become slightly bullish. They started selling 19,300 put option heavily. But always remember, in the last week, it's very, very high risk. Nifty actually closed at 19,306 and people are selling 19,300 put option heavily. That is almost at the money. Last week always markets tend to move violently and making profit very, very difficult in the last week. So the professional traders, let me tell you, they always move to the next month expiry and they don't keep the position for the current month expiry. So as I said earlier, the markets are still consolidating. It's consolidating between 19,000 and 19,500, which is likely to continue until the expiry and unless something happens in US. US futures are also trading very well, but we have to wait and see sometime after 7 p.m. when their market opens, so markets fall drastically. Asian markets are good, European markets are good, and US markets, we have to wait for at least another 1 or 2 hours to know the thing. And so as I said, markets are bearish as long as it is closing below 19,400. And I suggested some bearish strategy like buying 20,000 put option and selling 19,000 put option and selling 20,000 call option in October series. So that strategy I think I posted in Twitter. So that strategy has given fantastic return of more than 4% in last 1 week. Okay, so I'll keep giving you some strategies here and there. Okay, but remember, number one, I'm not SEBI registered, and number two, I have no monetary benefit. Earlier I used to give some broker link, now I stopped that also because some people say it is right, some people say it is wrong, it's a gray area, but I don't want to take risk and I don't want any money. So I stopped giving the broker link also. So there is no monetary benefit for me. Whatever I'm giving is just for educational purpose. Okay, and if you are taking position, you are taking at your own risk, right? Okay, so that's it for now. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.